Hey there, marketing enthusiasts. Ever wondered what the future holds for AI in marketing? Well, you are not alone. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's transforming the way we approach everything from customer engagement to campaign optimization. Here is the kicker. While AI promises to revolutionize marketing, it is also raising some serious questions about ethics, privacy, and even job security. So today we are diving deep into the future of AI in marketing. We will explore the trends in investment and adoption, what marketers can actually achieve with AI, how consumers feel about it, and the challenges that come with integrating AI into your marketing strategy. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one, so stick around till the end. So the first point we are going to talk about is the surge in AI investment. Where actually are we headed? See, let's kick things off by looking at the current state of the AI investment in marketing. So according to a 23 report by Grand View Research, the global AI market is projected to reach 1.81 trillion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 37.3%. A significant chunk of this investment is pouring into marketing, with businesses across industries recognizing the potential of AI to deliver personalized experiences, optimize ad spend, and drive conversions. But then why are companies investing so heavily in AI? The answer is simple: ROI. See, AI-powered tools can process and analyze massive amounts of data far more quickly and accurately than any human could, therefore allowing marketers to make data-driven decisions in real time. Now, this leads to more efficient campaigns, higher conversion rates, and ultimately better bottom-line results. However, it's not just about efficiency, it's also about enabling marketers to innovate in ways that were previously unimaginable. From AI-generated content to predictive analytics, the possibilities are endless. Curious about where your company stands in the AI adoption curve? Well, it might be time to explore some so that you can take your marketing to the next level. So what marketers can achieve with AI? This is the second point we are going to discuss. Beyond the buzzwords. So what can AI actually do for marketers? Let's try to break it down because this is a loaded point. See, personalization at scale. Remember the days when personalization meant adding a customer's name to an email? Well, those days are long gone. AI allows marketers to deliver highly personalized experiences at scale, whether it is through dynamic content, personalized product recommendations, or targeted ads. AI can analyze customer behavior and preferences to deliver the right message at the right time. Next is predictive analytics. Yes, one of the most powerful applications of AI in marketing is predictive analytics. By analyzing past behavior and current trends, AI can predict future outcomes, such as which customers are most likely to convert or churn. Now, this enables marketers to proactively address potential issues and capitalize on opportunities. Next is automated customer service. See, AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, handling everything from basic customer inquiries to complex problem solving. Now, this not only improves the customer experience but also frees up human agents to focus on more strategic tasks. Next point is content creation and curation. Whether you believe it or not, AI can now assist in content creation. Now, tools like Copy.ai and Jasper can generate blog posts, social media captions, and even video scripts based on a few prompts. While these tools are not perfect, they can save marketers a significant amount of time and effort. Then, optimized ad spend. See, AI can analyze campaign performance in real time, therefore making adjustments through ad spend and targeting on the fly. Now, this ensures that marketing dollars are spent as efficiently as possible and therefore maximizing ROI. Then it helps enhance customer insight. See, AI can sift through vast amounts of data to uncover hidden patterns and trends. This allows marketers to gain a deeper understanding of their audience and therefore make more informed decisions. Here's the thing. While AI can do a lot, it's not a magic bullet. It's a tool. A powerful one, but a tool nonetheless. It is therefore essential to approach AI with a clear strategy and a solid understanding of its capabilities and limitations. Well, then comes consumer sentiment. How do people really feel about AI in marketing? See, we need to talk about this elephant in the room, which is consumer sentiment. How do people really feel about the increasing use of AI in marketing? So, according to a 2023 survey by Pega, 58% of consumers are uncomfortable with companies using AI to personalize content, and the number jumps to 71% when it comes to the use of AI in making decisions that affect them. Why the discomfort? Well, it boils down to privacy concerns and a lack of transparency. Many consumers feel that companies are using AI to collect and analyze their data without their consent, leading to a sense of unease and mistrust. Moreover, there is a fear that AI-driven decisions might lack the human touch and empathy that are often crucial in customer interactions. But it's not all doom and gloom. The same survey also found that 42% of consumers appreciates AI ability to make their online experience more convenient and personalized, as long as it is done transparently with their consent. Now, this highlights the importance of ethical AI practices in marketing. Brands that prioritize transparency, consent, and security are more likely to earn the trust and loyalty of their customers. Now, you must be wondering how to strike the right balance. Well, it's all about being open with your customers about how you are using AI, what data you are collecting, and why. So, the more transparent you are, the more likely consumers are to embrace AI as a positive force in their online experiences. So then let's try to troubleshoot common AI adoption challenges. See, integrating AI into your marketing strategy is not always smooth sailing. There are several common challenges that businesses face when adopting AI, including number one is data quality and quantity. AI is only as good as the data it's fed. If your data is incomplete, outdated, or inaccurate, your AI-driven insights and decisions will be flawed. That's why it's crucial to invest in data quality and ensure you have a robust data management system in place. Then you have skill gaps. See, implementing AI requires a specific set of skills that many marketing teams may lack. Now, this can lead to difficulties in setting up, managing, and optimizing AI tools. To overcome this challenge, consider investing in training programs or partnering with AI experts. Then you have the problem of cost. AI technology can be expensive, particularly for small businesses. While the long-term ROI can justify the investment, the initial cost can be a significant barrier to adoption. So one way to mitigate this is by starting small, using AI for specific tasks or campaigns before scaling up. Then you have ethical considerations. As mentioned earlier, ethical concerns around data privacy and transparency can pose challenges. To address this, it's important to have clear policies in place and to communicate those policies to your customers. Then you have the problem of integration with existing systems. See, AI tools need to work seamlessly with your existing marketing systems and platforms. Now, this can be a technical challenge, particularly if you are using outdated or incompatible software. So to avoid this, ensure that your AI tools are compatible with your existing systems or be prepared to invest in upgrades. Feeling overwhelmed by these challenges? Don't worry. See, the key is to approach AI adoption as a journey, not a destination. Start small, learn as you go, and be prepared to adapt and evolve your strategy as needed. Then the future of social media management. People-led AI powered. So let's shift gears and talk about one of the most exciting areas where AI is making waves, which is social media management. Now, social media is a critical channel for brands, but managing it effectively can be incredibly time-consuming. And that's where AI comes in. See, AI-powered tools like Hootsuite, Insights, and Sprout Social can automate many of the tasks involved in social media management, from scheduling posts to analyzing performance metrics. Now, this allows social media managers to focus on more strategic aspects of their role, such as engaging with followers, and crafting compelling content. But here's the thing, while AI can handle many of the technical tasks involved in social media management, it cannot replace the human touch. The future of social media management is people led, AI powered. AI can handle the data and automation, but it's up to the humans to provide the creativity, empathy, and the strategic thinking that makes social media truly effective. So, how can you leverage AI in your social media strategy? Well, start by using AI tools to handle the time consuming tasks, such as post scheduling, analytics, and sentiment analysis. Then use the time and insights you gain to focus on building relationships with your audience and crafting content which resonates on a deeper level. Excited about the potential of AI in social media? Well, you should be. But remember, AI is just one part of the equation. The real magic happens when you combine the power of AI with the creativity and insight that only humans can provide. And there you have it. The future of AI in marketing is bright, but it's not without its challenges. From the surge in AI investment to the opportunities and obstacles it presents, there's a lot to consider as you integrate AI into your marketing strategy. But one thing is clear, AI is here to stay, and the brands that embrace it strategically will be the ones that come out on top. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And as always, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in marketing. The future is AI powered, and it's yours to shape. Until next time, happy marketing.